Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an Altroz video for you in which we have installed Xenon Planet projectors which are LED on an Altroz. We've installed two projectors per side. Altroz usually comes with zero projectors, so I think this is one of the first cars in India to have a quad projector setup. Have a look at this video and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video.